back to my, in Prodigy. Now I'm gonna go into the map and go into a new island.
Wow.
Where should I go?
I'm
gonna go battle a Titan. So now I'm gonna battle a Titan. See what happens.
This magic has survived for thousands of years.
So now I'm gonna go to Horror, I think. So I'm gonna buy something from him. Have 7 of these. So I can't buy anything. So I'm gonna go battle the Titan. I'm gonna use Supernova. Click on the number line to show where the number is located. On 40, I think. Now I'm going to cast a spell, and I'm correct. So now it'll do tons of damage to him. It might one-shot him. Oh!
Hey, you guys want some sushi or poo-poo?
Sushi. So now I'm gonna use my damage bonus potion. So my attack goes higher. Yoo-hoo! I'm gonna say right there. Now I'm gonna cast the spell. Oh. I'm gonna go here then. Ooh. So I got it wrong. Now I'm gonna see the real answer. Oh, that's better. I thought I was gonna get that right. I'm gonna use Falling Star Smash again. And, like, what could go wrong now?
Yeah, you're right.
So now this is gonna do tons of damage. Might one-shot him. Ooh.
Hey, you guys want sashimi?
No. So now I'm gonna use my Supernova, and there's no way I'm getting this one wrong. And I'm correct again. I'm gonna win this battle.
Yeah, he is.
Oh boy. This guy is level on 51, like me. I think I could one-shot him. Okay. So, now I think this is right because I know it is. Now I'm gonna one-shot him. Oh, I almost did it. I just need one more shot. Oh, yes. He missed. So now I could one-shot him. Now, I'm gonna go here because I counted. Now, I'm gonna go back to battle and one-shot him. Wow, I didn't even need to use my other pets. So now I'm gonna collect all the items I got. And I am a member
Love.
here. So now I'm gonna go back and team battle. Join. this is not working. I'm just gonna, oh, I'm actually gonna get out of this and go to map. And I'm gonna go to the castle. And yes, I'm gonna talk to Gail. Hi, Gail. Okay, I want to see what you have. What's this? 500. Oh, I'm gonna stick on this one. No. Wow. I'm gonna see the pet here. This is the only one I could get. Oh, there's lots of stuff. What? Oh, I'm gonna try getting that one that makes me invisible. And what's this? That one makes me look like an old man. So I'm gonna go into the academy thingy, whatever. I'm gonna go. Oh, and I already found an academy page. So now I'm gonna go and get right here. And I found, oh yes, I've been always wanted to have this guy for a long time.
Oh my. Hi, Lucas.
No, he already caught me. Yay, hey. I always wanted this guy for centuries.
No.
So I'm gonna put 80.
Lucas.
And yeah, that was cool.
Do you remember what she does?
Yes, I do.
What does she do?
That.
I don't remember what else he does.
That's the only thing he does.
No.
So now I'm here. Now I'm gonna cast spell. Wow.
Oh, yeah, you're right. If you only did that, then yeah, you're right.
Aw,
What?
can't get him. Let's see. It's right here. I keep getting these correct. Soon I'll just kill him to death.
Yeah.
Seriously. He's never gonna kill me. Wow.
Lucas, you can't.
I'm gonna go here. And... wait, yay. What? What?
What, Lucas? What happened?
I got a prize.
What did you get? Is that your prize?
No,
What's your prize?
that's called Supernova.
What's your prize?
Want me to play Minecraft?
No.
So now I'm gonna see how much I regenerated. Ooh, yeah.
Oh, 5 stars, really?
And money, money. What? Now I'm gonna get the golden one. So now I'm gonna go here. I'm so sleepy. And yeah, I forgot there's nothing here, so.
Hey, look at that.
Wow.
Hey, I see a microphone. Oh, there. Yeah, there. Could I spot? Oh,
No, it's not good that you spotted it. I already spotted it. Alex, I already spotted it.
Oh, okay. There's 3 notes in here.
So now I'm gonna go
No,
and
there's 2 notes
into the new portal.
Oh.
I already know, Alex. You don't need points.
Yeah, okay.
Don't point ever. So now I'm gonna go back here.
I'm pointing. I should not change.
So now I need to go in here.
Should not change.
Oh, gee, not this guy again.
Why?
I'm just gonna beat him up. Take this. Oh. Yeah, I forgot. I mean, take this. Sorry, I burped. I'm gonna use Wildfire. That should one-shot it.
Oh man.
So, I'm gonna count now. 5, 4, 1, 5, 5, and 1, 5, 6. And I'm gonna get green.
Check mark. Now do red for 1x. Red for an X. Write something, Lucas.
I am. Now I'm gonna do check mark W, W, W. And cast spell. Boy, that would have been lots of damage. Powerful, yeah. Powerful, yeah. That was pretty weird. I'm gonna use Wildfire again. Let's see what happens. And correct. Every day. I'm always correct. So now, I'm going to use Wildfire again and see if it one-shots it. Oh. Wow. I have more health.
Who has left?
How many? 1, 5, 7. Now I'm gonna use Wildfire again. Wait, no, I couldn't. 1, 5. Wow, I always get this right. Well, I only got one wrong. What?
You have to talk.
I forgot.
You thought you were playing.
What should I eat?
Or some apples. Yeah, I don't care if you just.
I'm gonna use my Wildfire again and see what it happens. Again. Again. So now this is a big disaster.
31. Yes, 30, 31. I was just counting something.
Okay, say bye to your friends.
Bye. Catch you later on the next video. Peace out.